Welcome back to our channel. If you would want to help support our channel, please share it with your hobby friends. Additionally, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you always receive the most up-to-date information from us. 2023-2024 Ford Ranger Tremor Colors. The Ford Ranger 2023 will no longer be available in as many hues. The 2023 model year Ford Ranger will be the last in this mid-size pickups line. The next generation Ranger is expected to debut in time for the 2024 model year. The prospect of something happening is exhilarating. Bookings for the 2023 Ranger began in early August of 2022, and the vehicle is scheduled to enter manufacturing on October 10th of that year. Assembling of the vehicle will take place at Ford's Michigan assembly facility. Thus, the 2023 Ranger may be ideal if you're looking for the final model before Ford implements significant modifications. However, it seems that the color possibilities for this mid-size truck are being reduced. There will only be 8 hues available for the Ford Ranger in 2023. In the United States, Ford is discontinuing sales of the Ranger pickup truck's 4th generation. However, not all 2022 Ranger hues will be made available for the final model year. Ford is reportedly doing rid of 4 of its signature hues, as reported by Ford Authority. A few examples of discontinued hues are Avalanche, Paint Code DR, Paint Code DR. In the hue of a metallic cyber orange, Paint Code SB. Saharan Dust, Paint Code VA. A forged metallic green color, Paint Code L9. It's unfortunate that the new Ford Ranger won't be offered in these hues, but we doubt that it would prevent anybody from purchasing one. And it's a clear sign that Ford is winding down manufacture of the current generation of these pickup trucks. When compared to previous years, what changes have been made to the 2024 Ford Ranger? Ford's next generation mid-size truck, the Ranger, will debut in 2024. Early in the new year, we should see its release. Although it is now being sold everywhere in the world, it will be brand new to the American market. An all-new Raptor model and a more muscular look are among the upcoming enhancements. According to Ford's plans, this truck will stay in production for at least another 8 years. One of the further upgrades is a redesigned cabin that should make this mid-size pickup seem less dated. Is it wise to invest in a 2023 Ranger? It's unclear if you should hold off until the new Ranger arrives or go headfirst into the options on the market right now. Indeed, the Ranger of the 4th generation is a competent pickup. It has a variety of cutting-edge amenities and an efficient 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine. However, the 5th generation Ranger seems to be an excellent choice in the mid-size pickup segment. Design-wise and function-wise, it will be a step forward. Furthermore, this will be the first time in many years that Ford has offered the new Ranger for sale in the United States. Ford Ranger 2024 release date? Sometime in May of 2023, customers may expect to place orders for the brand new Ford Ranger. Thus, its arrival is imminent. In any case, the Ranger has a good chance of being a bestseller like the Maverick and Lightning before it. In light of this, locating one may not be trivial unless you manage to place an order with Ford directly. The 2023 Ford Ranger is now available for pre-order. However, there are no longer available hues that used to be available. Bear it in mind while you're shopping. Welcome back to our channel. If you would want to help support our channel, please share it with your hobby friends. Additionally, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you always receive the most up-to-date information from us. 2023-2024 Ford Ranger Tremor Colors. The Ford Ranger 2023 will no longer be available in as many hues. The 2023 model year Ford Ranger will be the last in this mid-size pickups line. The next generation Ranger is expected to debut in time for the 2024 model year. The prospect of something happening is exhilarating. Bookings for the 2023 Ranger began in early August of 2022, and the vehicle is scheduled to enter manufacturing on October 10th of that year. Assembling of the vehicle will take place at Ford's Michigan assembly facility. Thus, the 2023 Ranger may be ideal if you're looking for the final model before Ford implements significant modifications. However, it seems that the color possibilities for this mid-size truck are being reduced. There will only be 8 hues available for the Ford Ranger in 2023. In the United States, Ford is discontinuing sales of the Ranger pickup truck's 4th generation. However, not all 2022 Ranger hues will be made available for the final model year. Ford is reportedly doing rid of 4 of its signature hues, as reported by Ford Authority. A few examples of discontinued hues are Avalanche, paint code DR, paint code DR. In the hue of a metallic cyber orange, paint code SB. Saharan Dust, paint code VA. A forged metallic green color, paint code L9. It's unfortunate that the new Ford Ranger won't be offered in these hues, but we doubt that it would prevent anybody from purchasing one. And it's a clear sign that Ford is winding down manufacture of the current generation of these pickup trucks. When compared to previous years, what changes have been made to the 2024 Ford Ranger? Ford's next generation mid-size truck, the Ranger, will debut in 2024. Early in the new year, we should see its release. Although it is now being sold everywhere in the world, it will be brand new to the American market. An all-new Raptor model and a more muscular look are among the upcoming enhancements. According to Ford's plans, this truck will stay in production for at least another 8 years. One of the further upgrades is a redesigned cabin that should make this mid-size pickup seem less dated. Is it wise to invest in a 2023